Hello everyone, I Razia Patel from Language Data Stanford. So students, today we'll start worksheet number 13, complex word problems. So solve the problems in your notebook. Because of the here is a low place is there, so you have to solve this word problems in your notebook. Now students, here is a question is solve the following questions in your notebook. A painter charged rupees 554 from materials and 254 hours for labor. The total cost of painting an office is the 1,15,690. How many hours did it make the painter to paint office? Painter ने office में कितने hours के लिए paint करता है, that we have to find. Okay students, so in that we have to find the numbers and keywords first. So students, if you all are not want to write the, first of all you have to find the numbers and keywords. So let's see that. So let's start that students. So students, here we have to write first total charge, total cost. Total cost is 1,15,690. Material charge 5,54,040. Labor charge we have to find it here. So students, what we have to do, total cost minus material charge. टोटल कॉस्ट में से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मटेरियल चार्ज को माइनस करेंगे. सो लेबर चार्ज इज 95,250. नंबर ऑफ द आवर्स टेकन इज इक्वल टू 95,250 divided by 250. So students, our answer is now see 95,250 divided by 250. So 253 is 715 will minus 952 minus 750. So we'll get the answer 202. We'll bringing down 5. So 2,225 is there. So 215 is 200 or 2,000. So answer is 25. We're bringing down 0. 215 minus 215. So answer is 0. So it took 381 hours for the painter to paint the office. Now students, you have to write these sums in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute so to complete it. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start second one question. Now second one question students, for the board exam there are 3 sets of maths paper, 498 of the first set, 680 of the second sheet and 527 third set. If there are 12 teachers to check all the papers, how many papers can each correct if divide equally? So first of all students, we have to find the numbers and keywords. So we have to underline the things. Number of 449, 680, 527. 12 teachers. Check. Then so here numbers is correctly, we have to find keywords is each. Okay, Now students, we have to find what they are they are asking that how many parents paper can each correct if divide equally. So we have to underline that things also in a question. Okay, then students, what we have to do, we have to go for understanding. So we have to, let's see the sums. So students, for our understanding, we have to write the total parents 400 papers 449, 680 and 527. So total papers is equal to 1665. Okay, then number of the papers of each teacher can correct. So 500. So now our next operation is a division. So it's 1656 divided by 12. So we'll check the solution is 51 ones are 12 ones are 12, 16 minus 12, answer is 4, bringing down 5, 12 3s are 36, 45 minus 36, answer is 9, will bringing down 6, 12 8s are 96, so 96 minus 96 0, so answer is 138 is it. Answer is 138 is it. Now students, D1 sum I'll show you here first. Javed collect 2276 melons from his farm. फार्म में से उसने 2276 melons लाए. The melons are shared equally between himself, his 3 brothers. 3 brothers में equally उसको डिवाइड किया हुआ है. Javed then gives away 16 melons from his share. How many melons are left with Javed? That we have to find. कितने जावेद के पास मेल्स है, that हमें फाइंड करना है. So students, let's start our sum. First of all, we have to find the numbers and keywords. So number is 2276, 3 brothers, 16 melons. Okay, now here what they are asking that keywords is shade, and they are asking that how many melons are left, that they are asking. Now let's see the solution, students. So students, we have to write here Javed's share of the melons is equal to 2276 divided by 4. So answer is, now students, tell me why we are writing here 4. You know what? Why we are not writing divide by 3? Because of the 3 brothers are there, and Javed is 16 melons from his share. उसने 16 melons share कर लिया. That's the reason we have to write here 4. So now 4 5s are 20. 22 minus 20. Answer is 2. Bringing down 7. 4 6 are 24. 27 minus 24. Answer is 3. Bringing down 6. Answer is 36. 4 9s are 36. So 36 minus 36 0. So melon left with Javed is equal to 5069 minus 16. A melons left with the Javed is equal to 509. Now students, I'll give you one list. You have to complete your work. You have to write all the sums in your maths notebook, everyone. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Question number E. E1 question. United Airlines flights 4,456,705 passengers every week. A flight has a maximum passenger capacity of the 467 passengers. If it complete the 995 flights in a week, then how many passengers are there on one flight? Are all the flights carrying maximum passenger or not? सो स्टूडेंट्स एयरलाइंस में जो पैसेंजर है वो एवरी वीक मतलब हर एक वीक में 4,56,700 पर्सनस को जाते हैं, ठीक है, फ्लाइट में जाते हैं. बट एवरी फ्लाइट्स पैसेंजर कैपेसिटी इज़ 467. इफ़ इट्स complete the 995 flights 995 flight जाती है, then we have to find that how many passengers are there in the one flight. एक फ्लाइट में कितने पैसेंजर होंगे, that we have to find. और maximum numbers of the passenger is carrying the flight or not, that we have to find. So let's see. But first of all you have to find the numbers and keywords. Number is 4,467,56,705 passenger, 467 passenger, 995 flights. Okay, and what they are asking that are all the, then how many passengers are there? How many passengers are there on the one flight? And in the last they are asking that how all are flights carrying maximum passenger or not, that. So let's see the solution, students. So students, we have to divide 995 divided by 4,56,705. 995 fours are 3,980. 7 minus 0 7. 6 minus 8 not possible, will cut 5 right there, 4 cut 6 right there, 16 68. Here we have to write, students, will get the answer 587. Will bringing down 0, 9,095 5 are 4,975. So 5,870 minus 4,975, answer is 8,095. Will bringing down 5. So 9,095 divided by 9, or 95 nines are, so 8,955 minus 8,955, answer is 0. Passenger in each flight 459. All flights are not carrying the maximum passenger. सभी फ्लाइट में मैक्सिमम पैसेंजर नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ जीवन सम विल डू. अब गारमेंट फैक्ट्री मैन्युफैक्चर 1,516 शर्ट्स इन द मंथ. हाउ मेनी शर्ट्स इट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हियर? 3 months. 3 months में कितने मैन्युफैक्चर होते हैं, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. 3 this shirts will be shorted at 13 different warehouses across the country. If divide equally, how many shirts can be shorted once warehouse? So first of all you have to find the numbers and keywords. Number is 1,560, 13. Okay, now students, so and question is keywords is equally divided equally. Question is how many shirts can be shorted every warehouse. Now let's see the solution here. So students, in here solution is shirts manufacturing the 3 months. Then here we have to write 1,560 multiplied by 3. So answer is 4,680. Shirts that can shorted once warehouse 4,680 divided by 30. So answer is 13 3s are 39. 46 minus 39 is 7. We have to bring it down 8. 13 6 is 78. 78 minus 78, 0. We'll put this 0 up. Bringing down 0, division is not possible. We have to write here 0. Now students, I'll give you one list. You have to write both the sums in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 13. That worksheet you have to write all the sums in your maths notebook. Complete your homework and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.